Well, hello and welcome to another moto showcase. This time you're back in the car park to install something quite simple, but it gets rid of this massive hole when you install the aftermarket exhaust slip-on the Yamaha R3. So what I got is this Akrapovic carbon guard, which will go right into there. It's actually quite a simple item, which costs a lot actually. Comes with like 3 screws, which I don't think I'll be using because I can just use the existing screw, which is just these 2, and attach it to the mounting points here and here. So I'll just unscrew those bolts and fit in the cover. Okay, so here's a closer look at the area where we are going to mount the cover. So just grab a size 5 Allen key, screw the bolts. This one, you can see there's actually some Loctite on it, so it might be a little bit difficult to come out. Right, let's pull this one out, and you can see this bottom area here, there's the mounting for it. So I guess you just need to slot this cover through, and should fit quite nicely, as you can see. And then we will mount back the existing screw and see how it goes. Just line this up a bit. Right, so to fit quite nicely, line up the bottom one first before I put in the bolt. I guess you can still use the existing screws, just provided the additional screws, I guess, just in case you don't have any on your bike. Hold on, this one is not lined up properly. There we go. Seems to be quite a difficult fit. Hear all the squeaking noises, and that should be quite a quick install. And there it is, completed install in just a few minutes. Just a simple 2 bolts and it should be on. What I would suggest is to put some heat shield tape behind the cover to prevent any damage from the heat generated by the exhaust. I guess you can use it for other exhausts as well, but I guess it's designed for the Akrapovic exhaust. Well, here's the look of it. Hope you've enjoyed this short video. Do leave some comments or feedback in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another moto showcase. This is X0 signing out.